Hi, this is Samza. This is my data science final assignment. Here is going to import Panda and NumPy. I import the given data set from my file, and what I have done, I just skipped some initial space before and after column values, and I'm printing the first 5 rows here. I'm creating new data set with new columns and then importing those column value from my original data set. Here is I'm taking all data columns I created. I take from here and assigning to my data frame, and I'm printing the first 5 rows. As we can see, that only wanted value come here, and I'm printing, trying to see the missing value from with value counts. And here I'm taking the value from the native country. Just I want to see which value I have, and if there is any other unwanted value, I'm just going to drop them. And here is I have a question mark here. Basically it doesn't make sense, and I'm dropping that question mark. But firstly I'm replacing with non-value and in my in place true, and other than that, and I'm dropping that value with drop now. And here is also gonna call that value. As we can see that the question mark is gone, and only the value they make sense, they only left in my project. Here's I'm also going to printing the first 5 rows. I'm creating some dummy data for sex and income, to giving just if they are male is going to pop up 1, and if they are female they're going to pop up 0, and if the income is more than 50k it's going to give me 1, and if it's less than 50k it's going to give me 0. As we can see from here, the income is less than and they are male. I think the data given, the country data given in the data set, and I'm creating some dummy data and creating some dummy data for them. Basically, if the country they are Canada, Cuba, Dominican Republic, something, I'm just categorizing them, like for North America, Asia, South America, Europe, and other. And if they are in that category, I'm giving them 1 for Asia, 2 South America, 3 Europe, 4, and other. If they are not in that category, giving them 5. And once I print here, just going to run it again, and here is my result just come up. And here is I'm going to make a prediction. And first thing first, as requested, I'm going to give train data: age, education number, hours per week, native country, and sex. And I'm going to give them label from the income, if they are greater or less than 50k. And importing some data for the prediction. And here is I'm importing the library, the tree and train test split, and I'm dividing and splitting that train and test part with 30% of the data for the testing part. Here is I'm taking the K-neighbors classifier to assigning to my classifier, and then fitting the classifier with my train and test data. And here's I'm importing the accuracy score. I'm just going to run the test for them, and this is the 65% the accuracy test result. And here is I'm predicting the result. I'm giving some value for the age and this is the education, and this is for the year for weekly work. This is the country, which is Asia, and this is the sex is for the male. For the female, just going to run. If the prediction is greater than 0, it's basically giving me the result more than 50k. But if the result is less than or equal to the 0, it's giving me 50k, less than 50k. That's all. Thank you so much.